Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And tonight we're going to found some cod today, and so tonight I'm going to have fish here. And we'll use this Louisiana fish fry. That's real good stuff. So we'll put it on this fish, and we'll put it in the Ninja FOODi DELUXE, and we're going to fry it up. So stand by, we'll get started next. Okay, now this, there was 3 pieces of this, and so I cut it in half, and so we've got 6 pieces here. I washed it off and cleaned it pretty good, and so now we're getting ready to start to use this Louisiana fish fry here. And so the first thing I need to do is get out we'll use a gallon Ziploc bag, put it in it. Okay, now we'll just put this entire bag right here in this gallon Ziploc bag here. That's some good stuff. If you've never tried it, you ought to give that Louisiana fish fry a chance one time. That's good stuff. Now we're just going to start dropping the fish down in it. Now we'll zip it up. And now we're just going to shake it up, shake it all around. I'm thinking all that's pretty well coated right there. We'll see in a second though. Okay, now I'm going to take my Evo sprayer here. I'm going to spray olive oil down in this Ninja FOODi air fryer basket. And then we're going to start putting our fish down in here. Well, that looks good already right there. Okay, that's all 6 of them. I thought I had more in this bag. I kept on looking for them, but there's no more in this bag. See, now I could have got at least 2 more pieces down in there if I'd have much more to put in there. So now I've got these in there, and I'm going to spray the top of them with this olive oil, just a little spritz, you know, cover them up good. All right, now. Okay, we're going to shut the lid, turn on the power. All right, go over here to air fry. That's at 390. And we'll leave that alone. And at the time, I'm going to drop down just a little bit. You hit the time button here and it starts flashing. Counterclockwise, and start counting it down. Now I've got that 15, but I don't think I'm going to let it stay for 15 minutes, but we're going to see in a second or two. I'm going to push the button and let it start, and there it goes. So, while y'all have got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up, and thank you to all you people that watches our videos. We sure do appreciate it. It means a lot to us. Okay, now while this fish is going in this Ninja FOODi DELUXE over here, I'm going to go ahead and put some fries in this Ninja Max air fryer here, and we'll get those going. Okay, now we like these Orado extra crispy fast food fries here. And so they're real good to us. So we'll dump some in this basket. Too many. Oh, they like to stick together and come out. Okay, that's plenty enough for us. Now we'll put these in this Ninja Max here. Did you see how easy that lid drawer slid in there? You don't even have to hold the back of it or anything, it just slides in there. But anyway, we'll turn on the power. We'll set the temperature up to I'll let it stay at 390. And the time, we'll bring it way on down here to 11 minutes, and then we'll hit the start button. Right there. Now when it gets about halfway through, I'll probably shake it up a little bit. We'll see how they look. So, we'll be back. Okay, now these fries have been cooking for a few minutes. I think we'll take them out and slice them, turn them around a little bit like this and put them back in there and let them keep on going. They're not quite done, but they're almost. Okay, now let's look in on this fish down here and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's starting to look real good right there. Now it's got about another 3.5 minutes left on it. And I think I might just let it go. We're just going to let it go to the end and we'll be all ready to go. Everything should be finished in just about the same time. Now the Ninja FOODi Deluxe has got just under 3 minutes left on it, and the Ninja Max over here has got 3 minutes and about 10 seconds left, so that's going to work out pretty good. Okay, now we're down just under 20 seconds here now on this fish. We got about another 45 over there on the fries, and it's starting to smell good in here. I'm going to tell you that right now. And while we've been doing this, Kay's been over there. She's been making coleslaw. And so we got the coleslaw going. So we're going to have fish and taters and coleslaw. Let's get a piece of this out and see what it looks like. I'll tell you what, now it looks good down inside that basket there. Look at that. Now let me get me a fork. Oh, look at that smoke coming off that hot fish. Oh, see how it's flaking, just flaking off. Well, I want to tell you right now, that fish is good. You can see I've eaten most of that piece. I'm going to get the rest of it out. I'll get a hold of it. All right, now we're going to switch over here to where these fries are at. Move this over just a little bit. Now let's take and dump that out right there. Well, that's starting to look pretty good, isn't it? We're almost done. Okay, and there you have it. That's about it for this little short video here. And this is what you can do with that Louisiana fish fry there, and a little coleslaw and fries. And so that's the Ninja FOODi Deluxe and Ninja Max working together to make a great meal. So till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day, and come back and see me as soon as you can. And if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. And thanks again for watching. Goodbye now.